ahead, the Fed's loosening their reins on AIG and wine that's out of this world later in the show. Welcome to 3 Times Square this Monday from Reuters World Headquarters in New York. The federal government planning to go from majority to minority shareholder in AIG. Our daily digit today, $18 billion. That's the amount of the Treasury Department's planned stock sale. It says it will reduce its stake from 53% to 20%. The government loaded up on shares when it bailed out the ailing insurer during the financial crisis. AIG plans to buy back $5 billion of those shares. The government sale should come at a profit, the stock trading above the $28.72 mark that represents the government's break-even point. Another company selling assets is BP. It is parting with stakes in several Gulf of Mexico wells to raise cash for the damage caused by the 2010 Gulf oil spill. The sales amount to nearly $6 billion. Plains Exploration and Production is the buyer. Its shares down on the news. From raising cash to losing it, the Wall Street Journal says Jamie Dimon as well as other execs at J.P. Morgan could see their bonuses cut, while Citigroup execs could suffer the same fate. The moves would be a response to management mistakes, including J.P. Morgan's derivatives trade, which has costed about $6 billion. While banks around the world are dealing with challenges, automakers going full speed ahead. U.S. companies reported record sales in August, and now a European company is joining them. Our Axel Threlfall joins us from London. Axel, apparently not every European business is suffering.
No, thankfully not. Despite the gloom, there are still enough consumers out there, it seems, that keen to get behind the wheel of a luxury driving machine. The latest is Audi. Audi is VW's luxury brand, which reported record sales in August. 15% more cars delivered to customers than in August of last year. And it's getting closer and closer to BMW, which is the global premium leader. Now, China continues to power demand. No great surprises there. Sales are up 24% in China. 1 in 3 Audis worldwide was bought in China. Something else that should help Audi give BMW a run for its money, the European launch at the end of last month of its high-volume compact. That's the A3 hatchback. So we can expect things to see things hotting up from here, leaving, I might add, the Mercedes-Benz brand trailing behind both BMW and Audi. So all not bad.
All right, we'll take it. Axel, thanks. Good to see you. Amazon is listening to consumer complaints about its new Kindle Fire tablets. The technology giant now says it will give buyers the option of paying $15 to turn off the commercials that are built into the devices. The announcement comes after posters and online forums lambasted Amazon for not originally offering the paid ad-free option. Well, nobody's lambasting our power player of the day. It is Denver Broncos quarterback Peyton Manning. The star signal caller back after a year-plus absence due to neck injuries. He completed more than 70% of his passes in his debut, including 2 for touchdowns, to power the Broncos to a 31-19 win over the Pittsburgh Steelers. Manning starting to earn his 5-year, $96 million contract. Well, the next time you sip a perfect Syrah, give a toast to the latest use of satellite technology. Wine growers in the south of France are using satellite technology to map their vineyards in a quest for the perfect harvest. The satellites create maps that show how ripe the vines are, which allows for targeted harvesting and, in the end, some out-of-this-world wine. The technology is going to be exported now to Canada, Morocco, Greece, and Japan. And that's the latest from 3 Times Square this Monday. You can follow us on Twitter at Reuters Insider and check out our Reuters YouTube TV channel, Reuters.com/ReutersTV. I'm Rhonda Schaffler. This is Reuters.